Hello everyone. Today we have brought you a quiz on Indian Railways, so get ready and evaluate yourself. 1. First railway budget in India was presented on Option A, 1853. Option B, 1888. Option C, 1925. Option D, 1905. 2. Which is the shortest station name in Indian Railways? Option A, Pune. Option B, BC. Option C, Goa. Option D, Ib. 3. Which is the longest station name in Indian Railways? Option A, Kanyakumari. Option B, Venkatana Simrajavariyapeta. Option C, Kharagpur. Option D, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Four. Where is the wheel and axle plant of Indian Railways situated? Option A, Chittranjan. Option B, Kapurthala. Option C, Bangalore. Option D, Perambur. 5. At which of the following places diesel component works is established? Option A, Jamshedpur. Option B, Patiala. Option C, Perambur. Option D, Varanasi. 6. Diesel locomotive works is situated at Option A, Perambur. Option B, Varanasi. Option C, Kapurthala. Option D, Bangalore. 7. The passenger bogies of the Indian Railways are manufactured at which of the following places? Option A, Kapurthala. Option B, Chittranjan. Option C, Perambur. Option D, Bangalore. 8. In a diesel engine, ignition is caused by Option A, spark. Option B, automatic starter. Option C, compression. Option D, friction. 9. Which train in India has the longest route length? Option A, Vivek Express. Option B, Indrani Express. Option C, Kanyakumari Express. Option D, Bangalore Guwahati Express. 10. When was the first underground railway, metro railway, started? Option A, 1982. Option B, 1989. Option C, 1984. Option D, 1992. Let us know, how much did you score? More questions coming up on next videos, stay tuned.